Good morning, namaskar, johar, vanakkam, and I mostly welcome you in my new video. I hope guys, you people are doing great. If you all are doing great, then I am also doing great. I am also fine, fantastic, and enjoying my life. So guys, as you can see, this is the place where I come for practice, where I come for speaking English. So my dear friends, today again I came this place for speaking with you, to share something with you, because I like to share, I like to speak with you. So my dear friends, this is my place. As you can see, this is my natural place. So this is nature. So guys, I hope nowadays you all are learning English in better way. So guys, today I would like to talk about for beginner who wants to learn English, so how he can learn. So my dear friends, if you are beginner and you don't know any sentence in English, so how you can make habit of English. So my dear friends, it's very easy, just you have to follow the tips. So my dear friends, let's understand this. What is the habit? My dear friends, what we do every single day or every week, we do that automatically. Like we have food, we have food every single day. That is also our habit, that if we will not have food, then what will happen? We may die. So in the same way guys, what activity we do every single day automatically, that's called habit. Some of you have habit of talking with someone every single day. You chat with your friends and anyone. So my dear friends, that is called habit. So how we can make English a habit? So my dear friends, it's not tough. Just you have to think, just you have to obey what I'm saying. So my dear friends, you have to listen English podcast, you have to watch videos. And which kind of videos? Whatever you watch in Hindi, whatever you watch in your own language, you have to just switch in English. Just you have to watch. Starting when you will start watching in English, that time it will be painful for you, because you cannot understand, you will unable to understand. You will feel that I don't know, I don't understand, so what I should do, you will think. But you don't have to give up, just listen, watch. One day it will hurt you, but when you will watch this for a week, then it will become your habit. So my dear friends, I have also started like this. I used to watch English content, now I also watch, but I started with this. I switched everything. If I'm watching blog video, then I watch in English. So in like this I switched, and I started watching, started making habit. So my dear friends, and what you have to do, you have to think in mind, that whatever comes in your mind, if you think in Hindi, if you think in your own language, then try to think in English, because it will really help you. I know that you cannot frame sentence, but anyhow, whatever you know, send, make and think in your mind. So my dear friends, I also used to do these tips, till now I do. And the last thing I would like to share, that you have to translate daily life sentence in your mind. So my dear, how you will translate? So my dear friends, suppose that some suppose that you says I'm having food. If you say in Hindi, then you can say in English, I am having food, I am eating. While you are doing that activity, you have to think in mind. So this way you will improve too much. So my dear friends, I hope you understood everything. So bye for now, see you next time, take care, have a great day.